In this video, Christian's going to show you how you can replace the engine's battery, which is located in the trunk of this 2007 Toyota Prius.
You're going to want to get your carpet out of here. You want to unlock it. And this whole piece slides out. Put this here. Then this whole piece comes out. After that, this piece comes out. And your battery is right there. So first step is you're going to want to disconnect your ground, which is back here. Just grab a 10 mil and just loosen it up. Take the battery off. Then take it off the battery. Then the ground is off. You want to pop these clips off. Make it easier for you. Little tabs. And this cab filter normally has a bolt right there, but unfortunately the previous person who took this off didn't put it back. Then you're going to want to grab your 10 mil again, loosen up your positive. After you do that, you want to pop it off. There's normally a nut right here and then a bolt that holds down the battery hold down. But unfortunately the previous person didn't. So we will fix that after we put the new one on. What you do is unplug this right here. And your batteries basically comes out like this. Grab your new battery. Use 2 hands. Take this stuff out of the way. I got a nut and a bolt to put the new battery hole down. That wasn't on there. You grab your little nut, put it on this one, tighten it down. Impact with the 10 mil and the tension. Tighten it down. Make sure she's nice and snug.
Quick tip here, when you're trying to remove the connector, you want to press the connector in first and then press down the tab and then pull it out on the plastic. You don't want to pull it out from the wires. And that tab that we're depressing is this little tab right here. Once you depress this tab, it unlocks that little hook right there, and then you can pinch it from either side and remove it. The rest of the controllers are going to be the exact same style tab, with this one being placed underneath. So press in, depress, and remove, and then you can get this guy out as well. And that connector, that tab, is this little tab right here, and that little notch. And then the last one is the same style, but this one's mounted underneath, and the rest of them are easily visible. And then when you reconnect it, you'll hear an audible click.
Your positive terminal and re-put your plugs in that you took initially. Goes right here. Goes right here. Then you can put it back on to the battery. And then this other plug goes right here to the sensor. What you want to do is tighten your positive. Nice and snug. After that, you want to grab your ground, put it on there, and tighten it nice and snug again. Okay. After that, you want to grab your battery there. Here, slides in right there. I still have to get a bolt for right here, replace the bolt that was not there, and then also remount this right here. Alright, so after I replaced the hardware that was missing and everything is all bolted back up, you just slide this in. Put this back in, plastic cover. Sits in there, rotates. Sits right there perfectly. Plastic, slide in there, lock it up. Then you want to grab your carpet. You're all done. Quick battery change.